Hello, it is Laurel from the Mom Edit, back again with another tutorial. So today we are going to learn the combo Calor. So check out the combo video if you want to see what it looks like put together, but learn it. Then join me in that video and dance with me 3 times through. When you do something 3 times full energy, full out, it kills you. If you are not into learning choreo, check out my drill videos where we just work out to different dance moves. And there's no memorizing choreography. It's just back-to-back movements. Anyways, let's start learning the combo. We will do a quick warm-up, just waking up the body. Nothing too serious, and we will get right into it. Let's go. All I want you to do is just bounce your knees, right? If you've been sitting around, if you haven't been moving around yet today or recently, I need you to slowly warm your body up. Don't shock it right into dancing, especially the knees. I feel like the knees need some time. Sometimes my knees need some time. Swing your arms. Listen to the music. All right, we're stepping out of real life and into the dance world where everything is good. All right, I want you to open your legs. Toes are pointing diagonally out, and you're gonna squat down a little. Just a little bit. Yes? All right, you're gonna bring one knee in, then out, and then the other knee, double. So you're going single, double, single, double, single, double. One more time, single, double. Nice, I'll give you counts in a little bit. Then you're gonna snake to the side, other side, then the other side, slow, and pull that foot in. Nice. Do just a snake again. Snake side, side, and slow. Pull it in. Yes? One more time. 5, 6 with the snake. Quick, quick, slow. Pull it in and stand up straight. Nice. All right, from the knees. So the counts are and 1, and 2, and 3. So your ands are in, okay? So you're going and 1, and 2, and 3. Snake, 4, 5, slow, 6, 7, 8. So make sure those feet are closed by 8. Yeah? Do that again. And 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Your feet are closed. You shift your weight to your toes. Open your knees. Yes, open. Only the knees, only the hip joints are opening. There are a lot of videos where I do this and we do it slow and we break it down. So check them out if you need help with that, okay? So we're gonna go open, 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 open 4 times. The first 2 times you're gonna swing your arms. So I have one arm going in front and one arm going behind, yes? So I'm going swing, swing. Now the last 2, your chest is gonna come forward, forward. And it comes forward as you're opening your legs. So you're going forward, forward. Side view, I go chest, chest. Yes? So 2 swings, 2 chests. Swing, swing, chest, chest. Again, swing, swing, chest, chest. Again, swing, swing, chest. Try it faster. Swing, swing, chest, chest. Swing, swing, chest, chest. Go, swing, swing, try. Swing, swing, chest. Now, getting your chest to circle and your knees to go out is tricky because two things are happening at the same time. It's one of these moments, right? So do it slow. Hit pause. Hit pause and be like, okay, like let the brain and the body connect and think about it. And just know that when you're opening, swing the chest to the front. So the chest is forward as the knees are open, yeah? As the knees close, the chest's gonna start to contract. So when the knees are closed, the chest is contracted, yeah? And just let yourself and your body think about it, figure it out, all right? If you don't get it, it's fine. Just keep doing this. Do what comes natural. Just keep dancing with me, right? Doesn't matter if you're not doing it perfectly the right way because you will. You will. Just keep dancing with me, all right? Top. Bring the knees in. And 1, and 2, and 3. Snake, 4, 5, 6, 7. Knees swing. 1, 2, chest, 3, 4. Nice. We're gonna stomp out diagonally and hit with our fist and our upper body. Yes? So you're going stomp, switch to the other side, stomp, switch back, twice, stomp, stomp. Yeah? So your foot and your hand are connected. So I lean back a little bit, it's like a hammer, right? And I pick up the foot, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. So our upper body is doing this with our fist. Boom. Every time our leg comes down. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah? Okay. So we're also gonna change levels. So you're gonna go stomp, 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 and low. So just bend that knee. Yeah? So your stomp, then your other leg that you didn't stomp is gonna bend down and stick that booty back. Yeah? From the top, slow. And 1, and 2, and 3. Snake. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, chest, 3, 4, stomp, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nice. Let's go to the music. You ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Swing. 1, chest, 3, 4, stomp, 5, 6, 7, down. Nice. Again. 5, 6, 7, let's go. And 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Swing. 1, 2, chest, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Woo. Breathe. Again from the top. 5, 6, 7, let's go. And 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, chest, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice, stay here. All right, you're gonna take both of your hands, swing them around to the other side, and reach up to a diagonal. Reach, you're reaching for something. You're gonna body roll and bring your arms down with you to the sit. Yeah? I'm gonna twist my hip forward, hip, down, hip, and hip. Right? So I was down here, I swing and reach. Look, I'm even pulling up this heel because I don't want to be here, I want to be here. Yeah? Swing and reach. All my weight is on that standing leg. I pull the roll onto myself and hip, hip, hip. Yes? We're down. This is a 4 count, so we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Nice. We're gonna step onto this leg. You're gonna step 1, pushing that hip out. You know I love my side rolls. 1, close, 2. Right, so all you're doing is stepping with the hip, letting the rest of your body fall to the side, and then pull the side of your upper part of your body up as you close, right? So you're going hip, then rib cage, close. Whew. After you close, you are going to hit front, side, back, and close. So you're going forward, push into the ground. I'm bending my knees. I'm not going tap, tap, right? I'm going down, 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 close. Yes? You're going forward, side, back, close. Do that again, same foot. Forward, side, back, close. Nice. From the wave, you're here. You just stomped down. You reach 1, wave 2, 3, 4, hip 5, 6, fast 7 and 8, and step 1, 2, forward 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, from the top, slow. Open the legs, knees, right? Get low, don't do it up here. Bend the knees a little bit, ready? And 1, and 2, and 3, snake, 4, 5, slow, 6, 7, 8, swing, 1, 2, chest, 3, 4, stomp, 5, 6, 7, and down, 8, reach, 1, pull, 2, 3, 4, hip, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and step 1, pull up, 2, front, 1, 6, wrong counts, pull up on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last thing. So after you come down, 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 close. Kick your back leg back, just like this, like you're gonna kick a ball. Like you're kicking a ball, and you rotate. Yes? So I kick the ball and I rotate a quarter. Yes? So 6, 7. As I step down on 8, my chest is gonna go out, back, sit. Out, back, sit. Out, back, sit. So my chest goes forward, back, sit. Yes? So I'm going 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. One more time. 3, 4, 5. It switches 6, 7, 8, and 1. So as you're closing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Woo! Slow. Slow from the top. 6, here we go. And 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, pull it up, 8, swing, 1, 2, chest, 3, 4, stomp, 5, 6, 7, get low, reach, 1, pull, 2, 3, sit, 4, hip, 5, 6, 7, and 8, step, 1, pull up, 2, in front, 3, 4, 5, 6, kick, 7, 8 and 1. Then you freestyle. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, are we ready to try it to the music? Which is not that fast anyways. I think we can do it. Are you ready? Get into position. Bounce those knees. Open those legs. Toes are pointing out. Whew. Remember, we're in on the and. So as soon as we say 8, it's like 8 and, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, stomp, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Woo, you did it. It's actually surprisingly faster, but you got it. We're gonna do it again. We're gonna keep going. Get ready, open the legs. 5, 6, here we go, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, swing 1, 2, chest, 3, 4, 5, 6, get low, reach, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, celebrate, celebrate, a 5, 6, 7, and 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 1, 2, chest, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, step 1, 2, 4, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Hey. Woo. Okay, ready? 6, 7, let's go, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, chest, 3, 4, stomp, 5, 6, reach, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. One more time. Get ready. 1, 5, 6, 7, let's go, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 1, 2, chest, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Woo! You did it. Keep practicing. Practice and practice. Join me in the combo video and let's do it. Check back every week for new videos. See you soon.